Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my another analysis video. So this video is weekly stock analysis video with index analysis, right? So I have been making this video every week for you all. So I hope you all are getting benefited with this video. Okay, so I hope in this video you might find the audio is quite clear and very much audible compared to our earlier videos, because with some recommendations of our members I have bought a new microphone, and I think it is quite helpful. Since I had back tested it, the voice is pretty clear. Fine. So if you are someone new to this video, then definitely you can go through my YouTube channel, and here I do provide a lot of learning videos. Though my channel is something new, still whenever I find some time I try to make some videos, and I will try to keep posting these learning contents for you all. So if you are new, then you can definitely hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon, so that whenever I post a new video, so that you might not miss any of my new videos, right? So without wasting time, let's begin to our weekly analysis video. So this is Nifty. First we will analyze Nifty, Bank Nifty, and then we will talk about three stocks for the week, right? So this is Nifty. Let me just zoom in. Okay, so Nifty, if you see, we on last trading session we saw a good fall in Nifty, right? From this top we had a fall from there to here, a huge fall indeed. But I didn't trade on that day, and I was not available for trading for that day. So that's the reason why I didn't update it on my Telegram channel about this movement and all. So we saw a huge movement, huge downside movement. So it was a good movement though. So a lot of people would have made money over here, and also of course a lot of people would have booked huge losses also. Okay, so now let's see about next week. So if we see Nifty, there was an important level in Nifty, which was this level. Okay, so let me just first share a small analysis. Okay, this was a its top, or this was the resistance level where Nifty was struggling, but frankly I was expecting a breakout, but Nifty did fell, right? So it is not necessary that whatever we analyze that should go according to our analysis, but we have to go according to market. Why? Because market is supreme. Fine. So this is the resistance level where Nifty was struggling, and at the lower side if you see this area, okay, yeah, this area. Now if you see a range bound market, Nifty was continuously trading in this range for quite few sessions, right? You can see this range. Nifty was continuously in this range. Now if someone had noticed this, actually I wanted to share this chart, same chart, on Friday morning, but I was bit busy with my work, and I was not available for trading. That's the reason why I didn't share this chart. But if at all I had shared, then it would have been useful to a lot of people, but I didn't share this because of my personal work, because I was not available on that day, right? So if at all, this is a range that we saw in Nifty, right? You can see Nifty is continuously trading in this range. So whenever there is such a range in market, what happens is, whenever a breakout or a breakdown happens, okay, whenever a breakout or a breakdown happens, the target becomes this range. This range of an index or a stock becomes the target, right? So this is what I wanted to share with you all. If you see here, let's say the length uh, the length of this range is 105 points. Okay, so if Nifty is falling, okay, first let's see if Nifty is moving upside. Okay, so this is the range. Okay, let's say if Nifty would have given a breakout, then what would have been our target? Our target could have been somewhere around this level. If I draw a line at this level, then this would be somewhere our target, right? So but Nifty gave breakdown, so in that case the same target becomes at a lower side, right? 105 points. Now if you see, so now you can see, right, 105 points, where does it come? So this is where Nifty took support, right? Nifty took a good support. It made a wick below that level, below that exact same point, right? So that's how market works. Now here also, if you can see, this level is also a support level, right? Market has halted over here, so this is a support level, and again at this level, same level, the same target, the Nifty has now halted over here. It took support over here. It was in this range, in this upper range, and now it broke the range and came into a lower range, right? So now we will see what's our expectation for next week. So I just wanted to share this small analysis so that it will be useful for you all, right? So what's next for next week, what can be done, we will see about that, right? So as we saw, Nifty took support. Now one can expect Nifty to trade in this range, right? I'm not expecting a sudden breakdown. I'm expecting Nifty to trade in this range, and of course this level, which is 1240 or 11240 and 11260. This level, I again repeat, 11240, that is 11,240, and 11,260 level will act as a resistance to Nifty, because that is a breakdown, and Nifty can trade in this range. So I am not expecting a huge movement, but there can be a good movement also. But overall view, see, now as we have seen a huge breakdown, then lot of people would have turned bearish over here. People now would be thinking that top has been made. Now the time is to sell or to take some shorts in Nifty, but I am not clearly expecting that to happen. Why? I again say, let's see daily chart. Now you can see daily chart here. If you see a trend line, a clear trend line, which has not yet broken, right? So Nifty has not broken this level. Nifty has taken support over here. So now what can happen? Since I am not expecting Nifty to give a breakdown, I am expecting Nifty to halt. Nifty can halt and Nifty can again move upside. I am still bullish. I am not turned bearish yet. So if at all I see Nifty taking a support again at this level, then I am planning to go bullish or going long in Nifty, right? So this I will update in my Telegram channel. So if at all I am trading in this, then I will update this in my Telegram channel. So Nifty can go sideways and then it can go up move, make some up move, but definitely I am not expecting a breakdown. Breakdown also might happen, but I am not, that's my view, I am not expecting, right? So everyone has their own perspective of seeing market, but by my perspective I am not expecting a breakdown. I am expecting Nifty to take support at this level, right? So this is about Nifty, and for next week Nifty can move in a range above this level, above this trend line, and then it can again move up, but I'm not expecting a breakdown, right? So this is about Nifty, and let's talk about the Bank Nifty. If you see Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty is highly underperforming. Even a small kid can say that, right? Why I am saying this? Okay, let me just show you a simple chart, right? How? Where we are trading at this level only, at this range only. And if you check Nifty, okay, if you check Nifty daily chart, where are we trading? The last swing was, this was the last swing. If you see, we are clearly trading above that previous swing, right? And if you see Bank Nifty last swing, this was the last swing. And if you see, this swing area is around 27,000 level, and we are still at 22,000 level, or let's say 21,500 or 22,000 level. We are still in this range, and Nifty is trading around above this range. So if we were going with Nifty, then we should have been trading above 28,000 level at least. Okay, so we are highly underperforming in Bank Nifty. So let's see what can happen in Bank Nifty now. Bank Nifty, you can clearly see now Bank Nifty is in a range. You can see this is the upper range in Bank Nifty, and below this is the downside range for Bank Nifty. Okay, so what could be next now? Bank Nifty is clearly trading in this range only from past few weeks, from let's say 5 weeks, 5 to 6 weeks, 6 to 7 weeks, I guess 1 or 2 months it is trading in this range only. This is June 24 and this is August 14. We have come, and till this August month we will be in this range only in Bank Nifty. Okay, so again, as we saw in Nifty, once this range is broken, we have to wait for this breakout. The size of the length is 2200 points, let's say. So if it is broken upside 2200 level, so this will be the upside level, and if it breaks downside, okay, 2000, okay, just a second. $2,200 level, then this should be the downside target for Bank Nifty when once a breakout or a breakdown happens. Now what's the beauty is, you can see if this breakout happens, so the resistance area is, this is the resistance area, and the target of this level is also at this area, so both things match, first point. And if downside breakdown happens, this is a breakout level, and if you see, this is a resistance level, this would be our target, sorry, this is the support level, and this is our target. So here also both match, right? So this, as you can see, this is the support. Here Bank Nifty was consolidating a huge movement, then it broke down, and then again it break out, and then it took a halt, and then it moved. So this is how analysis happens, this is how a stock or a index moves, right? So as you can see, there was this Bank Nifty is clearly in a range, so I'm not expecting a good thing in Bank Nifty as of now. But if you check 1 hour time frame, then Bank Nifty has made a candlestick pattern, but I don't know if it is valid or not, because we have to wait for this for confirmation. We have to wait for at least one candle, in 1 hour time frame, one, and then it should be followed by a green candle, right? If you see, after a fall, Bank Nifty took a support. Where did it took support? It took support at this level. You can see this is also important support level, support area, right? So here also it was a support area, here also it was a support area. So at this support, Bank Nifty has made a candlestick pattern. So now what is this candlestick pattern? Which pattern is this? So if you don't know about this, then you can go into my video section, or you can also go into playlist, and then you can view, click here, candlestick patterns by daytrader David. Here I have shared 3 candlestick patterns. So one, it is dragonfly doji, second it's hammer, third it's gravestone doji, and so you can compare it over with the bank nifty. So here it has made this one, which is dragonfly doji, so it has made it support. As of now the pattern is made in support. So Monday we have to see if this is followed by a green candle, and then again it is followed by green candle, then the target will be, let's say, this high, approx at this level will be our target. If it is followed properly, then this will be my target. So I will wait for this pattern to form, and then I will take any trade accordingly. Okay, so this was the index analysis, nifty and bank nifty analysis. So trade appropriately, nifty and bank nifty can go sideways to uptrend, and I am not expecting a breakdown, but I am still bullish. So let's see, lot of people would have turned bearish as of now, I don't know, but I am still bullish on market, right? So this is my clear view. I might go wrong also, but that's my view. Okay, my analysis say that only. Okay, and next, the stock. Now we will see 3 stocks for next week. Havels I had already provided in my Telegram channel, I guess. Yes, now Havels is at a very important level. If you see Havels, it has made a red candle because index fell heavily on Friday. So of course stocks will also follow that only. So now you can see in Havels we saw at this level, this was acting as a resistance. Now this is acting, it went that level again, and now if Havels breaks this level, then it can show a good momentum in Havels. Okay, so Havels, let's see how Havels goes. In Havels there was a parallel channel only, right? We had seen a parallel channel in Havels, so you can also draw that. I had already shared that, so I don't think that I should I should do that in Havels. So at the downside you can see this area is clearly acting as a support for Havels, because you can see the breakout level and then a retracement, then again a breakout. It tried to move up, but then it again fell and then took support at this same level only, right? So Havels can give some momentum. So let's see smaller time frame. Do we see anything in Havels? Okay, for an entry level we have to see smaller time frames. Higher time frames are for analysis for bigger targets. For smaller targets I usually see a lower time frames, 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, so now if you see Havels has taken support on Friday session. It fell, but it took a good support. As of now Havels has taken a support, but let's see at higher levels. Okay, so this could be a entry point for Havels. So Havels, if gives a breakout over here, okay, let's see at this level. Now it is at this level. So from here, if at all it breaks here, then it can move upside. The breakout level could be 612.5, that is 612.50 can be a entry level. Above this level you can take entry with a stop loss of you can keep a stop loss of, let's say, 605. Okay, you can keep a stop loss of 605, a small stop loss. If at all you are taking for intraday, and if at all you are going positional in Havels, then your stop loss should be below 600. Your stop loss can be 588. 612 can be your entry level, 612.5. above that level you can take entry, and your stop loss can be 598, which is approx, let's say, 15 points stop loss. And your target you can expect 1:1, 1:2, or also 1:3 risk reward, right? So this is Havels. Wait for breakout, wait for also volume. always check volume also before taking any entry. And also you can also use some indicators. I usually trade with price actions, and I rarely use indicators, but I do use indicators also, but rarely, right? So wait for breakout in Havels. So wait for proper breakout, and above this level, which is 620 or 622, it can clearly show some up move above this level, right? It can clearly show some good momentum above this level, which is, let me just draw that resistance level. Okay, so above this level, Havels can clearly show some good up move. So keep this in your watch list and keep watching it. So let's see how Havels moves. So this is about Havels. So now we will talk about Bajaj Finance. So a lot of people like Bajaj Finance, because it's a volatile stock, and for intraday basis, we always, mostly people look out for volatility, because there should be movement in a stock, only then intraday players can make some good money, right? So this is about Bajaj Finance. So before my analysis, just pause this video and check what is the trend of this Bajaj Finance. Is this in uptrend? What is this? Is it in a range, or it is trying to move in a downtrend? So try to do your own analysis and then watch this video, right? So let's see what Bajaj Finance is doing. So to me, Bajaj Finance is clearly in a range bound market. Okay, so this is the range for Bajaj Finance. If you see, this was the breakout level. You can see from here, it was the breakout level, and it is continuously moving in this range, right? So Bajaj Finance is in a range bound market. So now we have to see what can happen in Bajaj Finance. So there are 2-3 analysis in Bajaj Finance what can happen. So this is the range bound market. So Bajaj Finance has to give a breakout above this level, so only then it can give some good money. But before that also, I am interested in Bajaj Finance. Why? If you can see, Bajaj Finance has taken support over here. Why I am saying this is a support? Because you can see, after this breakout, Bajaj Finance came down and it consolidated below this level. And then it went again, it gave a breakout, and then now it is at this support, same level. That was the breakout level, right? It is now at a breakout level. So it is a high possibility that it can move from here also. So I would not be much interested if it breaks down, but overall it is a bullish stock. Bajaj Finance is a bullish stock. And another thing that I can see in Bajaj Finance is okay, let's draw a trend line. Right here, there is a trend line also, which is respected by Bajaj Finance. So let's see if Bajaj Finance respects this level or not. So Bajaj Finance can take support. If this is broken, then it can take support at this level. So you can add this in your watch list and keep watching it. Once it is taking a support at this level, at this trend line, then you can buy it with a small stop loss. Stop loss can be, you can give a 15 to 20 to 25 point stop loss. Why? Because it is a volatile stock, and the stock price is also about 3,000 rupees. So this is about Bajaj Finance. So I will wait for a retracement in Bajaj Finance. So actually Monday we will know what is happening in Bajaj Finance, right? Bajaj Finance can take support over here, or it can also move from here also, because it is also again at a same level. So it is a stock to watch, good stock, Bajaj Finance. You can keep it in your watch list, right? So Reliance, now the third stock is Reliance. Reliance, you can see continuously a uptrend. Now it is halting. On Friday session, I posted in my free channel that Reliance can show some good momentum, and because Reliance opening was at this level and it was continuously moving upside, and then I had took some position in Reliance, some good quantity also only, because my expectation was a breakout in Reliance. Why? I have been posted this 2 or 3 times, but breakout has not yet happened in Reliance. At this candle, I posted that Reliance can give a breakout, but it didn't give, because you can see, right, it is continuously moving sideways. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, almost 8 sessions it is moving in a range. So it cannot continuously move in a range, right? And also it looks like a flag and pole pattern also. So once there is a breakout, then again I will enter in Reliance. And again here also I am not expecting a breakdown, I am expecting a breakout in Reliance. So Reliance can give a breakout. Let's see how Reliance moves. So overall Reliance is a bullish stock. Now it is halting. That's good, because after a huge up move, stock has to halt, stock has to take some rest. So now it is taking some rest, and then it can again continue its movement. So let's see how Reliance moves, it's whether it gives breakout or breakdown. And this level is a good support level for Reliance, because it was a breakout level, and also Reliance has took a retracement at this level, right? So this was about Reliance. So as of now I had shared three stocks and Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis with you all. So if at all this video was useful to you all, then you can definitely hit the like button. It will definitely motivate me to make some more videos to you all, for you all, and I will keep making some learning contents for you all. So guys, that's it for the day. Have a happy and profitable trading in this coming week. So keep watching all these all these stocks, keep this in your watch list. So it is like you have to wait for proper timing whenever you have to take entry. You cannot take a jump into entry, right? You have to watch it in intraday basis also, you have to watch it on a daily candle also. So that's how a trader becomes. If you are looking only for tips, then that is not happening. No one can help you, you have to learn, only then you can earn, right? So that's the reason why I am focusing more on learning content. So I hope you have been learning something over here. So guys, that's it for the day. Hope you all with some another interesting video in some new sessions. So thank you for watching.